In this video, we're going to graph the curve y equals 1 over x squared minus 6x plus 9. Now, in order to do that, we should graph y equals x squared minus 6x plus 9. Well, that's the same as x minus 3 quantity squared. So this is a parabola that opens up that has a vertex at 3, 0. So it looks like that. Our first step after drawing in the parabola will be to draw a vertical line, a vertical asymptote at the x-intercept. Now, we have a couple of points here that we should indicate where the y value is 1. And the upper left part of our diagram will look like this because we want to respect, maybe not, there should be a little bit more of a curviness to it, but I'm not doing a great job of graphing it. And then this here, the other side, will look like this as the black curve goes down, the red curve goes up, and as the black curve goes up, the red curve goes down. But we have to treat the vertical asymptote like a vertical asymptote and the horizontal asymptote like a horizontal asymptote. So now what we can do is we can say that our domain is the set of all x element of the reals such that x cannot equal 3. And our range will be the set of all y element of the reals such that y is greater than 0. Our increasing interval will be all of the x's in the interval from negative infinity to 3. We can't include negative infinity or 3. Don't look at the direction of that arrow. What you're doing is you're moving to the right. And as you move to the right, you're going up. Our decreasing interval will be when x is in the interval from 3 to positive infinity. And don't look at the direction of this arrow because that might make you think it's increasing. You're always moving to the right, so that's a decreasing interval. Now our positive interval, we see that actually every point on that curve is above the axis. So our positive interval will be from negative infinity to 3 in union with 3 to infinity. We can't put negative infinity to infinity because the curve is not defined at x equals 3. And finally, we can say that our horizontal asymptote is at y equals 0, and our vertical asymptote is at x equals 3.